Hi, I'm Carla Crownover with Springdale Handmade. My business partner, Paula Foore, and I started our company to make all-natural soaps and body products using things grown in your garden. One of our favorite things to use is calendula. It's a wonderful annual plant that's perfect for planting right now for fall color. It comes in a lot of different varieties and colors, mostly orange and yellow. It likes a lot of sun, but it can also do a little bit of part shade. It needs well-drained soil, and you need to deadhead the spent blossoms as it flowers so that it will encourage new growth. If you do that, it will continue to flower all winter long and into the spring, provided it doesn't get just like really bone-chilling cold. It does pretty well. You can plant it by seed. I got these seeds from Seed Savers Exchange. These transplants I got at Shoal Creek Nursery, but they'll be available pretty much all over town. It's a wonderful plant because it's great for fall color, and the bees really like it. The pollinators need something to eat during the fall. It's actually edible as well, the flowers are. You can just break off the petals and use it on your salad or garnish a plate with it. It also has amazing medicinal qualities that go back hundreds of years. It is antimicrobial, antibacterial, antifungal, and it's also supposed to have some amazing benefits for digestion. So you can dehydrate it and make a tea with it and drink it, you know, just like you would a regular tea, to steep it in some hot water. What we like to do with it is to make this skin salve. So we take the petals, we harvest and put them in the dehydrator and let them dehydrate, because you really don't want to have any moisture in skincare products. So after they've dehydrated, we mix them with a mixture of sweet almond oil, olive oil, and sunflower oil, and let them steep for several months, which is what you see in this jar here. So all the good things coming out of the flowers are infusing into that oil. Once the oil is well infused, like this one is, we'll drain it, and the recipe that we like to use is 7 parts. We use ounces, 7 ounces of the oil, 1 ounce of beeswax, which is just a standard product you can find all over town. We like it pre-grated because it's kind of hard to grate. And then we put it in a double boiler and on very low heat, so that we don't kill any of the good benefits of this flower, and let the wax melt. And once it's cooled, we add the essential oil that we like to use is frankincense, and we also use bergamot because they also have some skin qualities. And then you pour it into the vessel of your choice. We like these 3-ounce tins, and there you have calendula salve.